I am not a professional. Everything that I do to my hair, I know how to do because of failures. Okay, hear me out. I have this crazy thought to vlog my hair process. Not necessarily a tutorial because I don't know what's gonna happen. So it's vlog style. You're on my phone, propped on my bookcase. Welcome. I think I'm going to try to split dye my hair again, but only keep one side blonde and one side as natural as possible. I'll put an orange color over it, but I want it to be kind of natural. But like I said, don't know how this is gonna work. I was gonna sit down and do a traditional video, but see, it's Wednesday as I'm starting this. Today was the second time this week that the fire alarm went off because stuff happens, and that just threw me out of the mood to film because yesterday it was all the lawn people were mowing the lawn for like 3 hours. Like, I swear, there's not that much grass out there. I don't know why it takes them so long. It's like noon now. I'm going to eat lunch, probably read a little. Currently reading Clown in the Cornfield. I literally just read the prologue the other day. Finished this last night. Amazing. 5 stars. Finished this one the other day. Cute. So yeah, let me go eat lunch and then I will figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. Alright. Not sure how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna roll with it. I feel like my phone is crooked, which it probably is. I got the stand on Amazon for my phone. Like, it's not horrible, but I don't like it. Got my bleaching shirt on. This is from the college I went to. So I have the punky color off, and I'm going to try to only use one box because this is my plan. So I'm gonna separate a split and I'm gonna work on this side. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. So my natural color, let's see. My natural color is like from here to here, and then I have a little bit of banding. So I want to kind of focus on the banding and then the ends and then maybe the roots. I might try to leave some of my roots out, and then I'm going to section out this section that has the more blonde pieces because I don't want to put this because this will lighten my hair a bit. It's not just a color remover. I mean, it's basically like a, I guess like a diluted bleach thing, but I'm going to, you know, try and do that. I don't think I'm gonna talk through this just because I've done this before on my channel, and if anything, I'll throw up a voiceover, but I want to play a movie. I'm watching the Puss in Boots movie that came out last year on Netflix, and I'm just gonna watch that and do my hair. Take off my ring because don't need to get anything on that. So yeah, let's do this.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Okay, so this is what I'm working with. I only ended up using one box. And my ends are getting much lighter. It's gonna take a little bit more for this. So what I'm gonna have to probably do is let this process, rinse the ends and then top, and then just do the top again. And then hopefully it can be a little bit more even. But whatever's happening down here, it is lightning. So I'm going to, it's about 1:40 now, so about 2 o'clock I'm going to rinse this out, just because I don't want it sitting too much on my ends, because I'm going to have to trim my hair after this, and obviously this side is going to be more damaged than this side, so I'm going to have to balance it out. But not horrible, not the best. And if all else fails with this, I will just throw orange over the entire head and then pray for a miracle. So obviously I'm rinsing my hair in the sink because I don't feel like jumping in the shower multiple times, but this is what it's looking like so far. You tell me, I can't see my roots. Not completely rinsed out yet, but it's a mess. Okay, so this is what it looks like all wet. Not horrible. The ends lightened quite a lot. There's a little bit of pink, mainly yellow all through it. So I'm going to dry this, and then I'm going to apply it just up here and see if I can get that lightened at all. If I can't, I might have to go get some bleach, some real bleach. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. So my hair for the most part is dry. I just really wanted to get the roots dry so I can start working on those again. So as you can see, it's a mess. It's a mess. So what I'm gonna do is open this box up and then just apply that to the roots. I will try to not get it at all on the bottom half, because for the most part it's fine how it is. I might have to lighten up some pieces. It's much darker under here, so I'm gonna start underneath, work my way up top, and hopefully I can make this work. All right, let me go whip this up and I will continue doing my hair.
Tracking you down.
keep this plastic bag on, but it is what it is. Hopefully this works. If not, I'm gonna have to have my husband run and get me some bleach because I'm not gonna want to go out in public. So yeah, this is what I got. Fingers crossed that this all works out, and I have to go see if I can find my toner. So I have some toner in the closet, but I don't know if I have developer. Okay, so this is the hair. I obviously haven't toned it yet. It's not the most even, but I think throwing the toner on should help. And the toner I have is the Wella T14, not T18. I know my lesson not to use T18. This is a pale ash blonde, and then I have 20 volume developer. So you want to put the toner on wet hair, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this back up, then I'm going to put orange on this side just to brighten up my color because it has faded a lot. So I'm going to do kind of a mix using the Cara Color Conditioner. This is a color and conditioner in one. I love this stuff. And then I'm going to mix in a little bit of Good Die Young's Toxicity. Let's tie that back up. I'm going to work on this side now. I don't have any gloves either, so fun.
I fall in a deep dark space. They say things get better. Just hold your time and wait. But it feels like we're waiting forever. I'm ready to end this pain. Close my eyes and fade away. Fade away.
I mixed one full container with 2 parts of the developer. I just poured the developer in there, so it was you know, even. I've been doing my hair for like 3 hours now. I am tired. So obviously not that even, but it is what it is. I knew my hair wasn't going to turn out perfectly. I can never get the banding on. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't have gloves. Just hoping for the best. So this, I'm just going to apply on my hair. Hopefully it cancels out some of the yellow, make it a little more ashy. I'm not looking for perfect, like I said. I don't expect perfect when I do my hair. I just expect me to feel better about it. Very rarely do I do my hair and I hate it. You can see it already taking effect. So this might be a fast process of me applying it and then hopping in the shower. My hair is wet, but it's not like soaking wet. I really just want to make sure that my part is developed. Because obviously people see that more. Alright, so obviously I had the lightened piece in the front of my hair that is getting toned the quickest. I probably should have sectioned that out, but I'm hoping that this just kind of balances out. I don't mind if like the root area is a little bit darker. I don't know. Don't really know what I'm expecting, but I'm just hoping for the best. Hoping for the best, expecting the worst. Now that that's on, I'm going to quickly clean up my mess, text my husband back, and then hopefully, oh man, I made such a mess. Hopefully clean this up enough to where my cats don't think, ooh, that looks tasty, and lick it, because they do that. I've not looked at my hair. I'm kind of nervous, but we'll do this together, okay? 1, 2, 3. Obviously, that looks horrible. Oh, I knew it was gonna be bad. This side's cute. Whatever, I'll make it work. We're getting into colder weather. It's gonna be rainy the next week or so. Oh my god, that's so yellow. I can deal with it. You know, wear hats and whatnot. So I am going to try to dry my hair a bit. I usually like to let my hair air dry, but since I colored it and did all this, I'm gonna have to use my hair dryer. And I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to film a makeup look and finish out this video. So okay, if I'm being honest, I don't know how I feel about my hair. This side, fine. I haven't put any more heat other than drying it last night, and that's what I got. This is my hair. Now, not perfect. Not anywhere near perfect. I miscalculated a lot on what I was doing. The toner worked on like half my hair. So like up here, I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it. Hopefully it does. It is super yellow. Super yellow up top and more like ashy down here. I can rectify that by getting some bleach and just bleaching the top a little bit. Quick bleach on that and then retoning it. But I don't want to do that. I may end up doing it. I'm not sure. I can live with this. It looks fine with my hair pulled back. It looks fine with the hat on. But overall, it's not horrible. And yeah, don't do this at home. Just don't. If you have the money to do your hair professionally, go get it done professionally, because 9 times out of 10 they won't mess up. I don't know how well this video is going to look. I have not looked back at any of the footage I got on my phone or whatever. It is what it is. Anyways, let me know what you think down below. Please be kind. I know, okay, I know it doesn't look the best, but it's my hair. Just be nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Be safe with your own hair, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!